Campaign Garage. Subscribe.
I got this four-wheeler from one of my buddies. It was on the channel a long time ago, like when I first started. It's like my third video I put up from where I had to fix the brake. And I haven't seen it since then, so it's funny how much he's, like after I fixed it, how much he's broke it again. I'm not everything off. The bar back here is loose. Wires are jerked out of it. This little boy is rough on it. The air filter's hanging down. I mean, this little boy is hard on the spool wheel. He's probably too big to be wrapping. But when I fixed it, I told him just to bring it to me and I'll fix it for him. So I just tried to hook the battery starter up to it. I didn't get no power. So there's some wiring thing wrong here. I didn't cross the solenoid because I can't find it with all the plastic on it. But I figured we go ahead and take the plastic off and see what we got. Oh no, I see. It broke off this. Right there. It's on this. I wing nut on the bottom of that boat. I'm gonna pull this headlight thing out right here. It's just got a bunch of Phillips heads in it. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna make y'all watch that, and then we'll pull the plastics off. It'll be ready to come off to that. So I got the plastics back off and anyway, the solenoid, starter solenoid, and it cranks when I hit it, so pretty sure the battery.
One eternity later.
I pulled the plug and we're getting sparks, so I'm pretty sure the carb is gummed up. They do that plug ain't even wet. See? Nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this carb off. I got the carb tore apart and it was gummed up really bad. Like you can just smell it. See the inside of the bowl. I had to drill out the little brass because they don't want you inside these carbs. So they put little brass pieces on the bolts Let's see, you can't even see through there. There's, both of them are gummed up. The needle wouldn't hardly come out of the seat. I had to pull on it really hard to get it out. So I'm going to have to soak that carburetor, clean it out, and then I'm sure it'd go back together and start up after that. Alright, I got both the jets clear. Let's see, I don't know if I'll be able to show you. Oh, there you go. There you go, that's it there. So that one was really hard to get clean. I had to like heat it up, blow it out, heat it up. The main jet was easier. There it is. That one was a little easier to get clean, but I might go hit it with some heat too just to make sure, because that looks like the same size as the Pilot for some reason. But anyway, they're all clean. I still gotta clean this, the little needle. It's still dirty. So probably take a little brush and just clean it up, because I can't take heat or nothing to that, because it's got that little rubber seal on the end. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this main jet up, make sure it's good and clean, and then we'll clean that needle off, and then I'll pull you all back out when I'm still putting the car back together. Alright, get all the jets put back in. I got my little needle cleaned off, float put back in. So we're ready to put our bowl back on. But that gasket is kind of crusty, wore out. So I'm going to put some of this PermaShield fuel resistant gasket and dressing sealant. It just kind of brings life back to old worn out gaskets, really. Alright, well, I'm gonna go attach this real quick, and then we'll put it back on the four-wheeler and see if it'll run.
Okay. I got it. Ah, no! It's alive!
So I got the carburetor put back on the four-wheeler, and I figured out why it wasn't starting with the switch. It wasn't because it was dirty. The safety relay on the brake went bad, so I had to go bypass it. If you want to know how to do that, I have an older video. It's called Teo Safety Bypass, something like that. It's way back there. It's one of my older videos. But yeah, so that's what was wrong with it. It just needed to be bypassed. The carburetor needed to be cleaned too, though. So now it fires up quick.